Alright, welcome to today's lesson. In our last lesson, I explained every line of code that you're seeing here except these two one. But for now, you don't need to bother yourself about these two. Basically, this line of code here, particularly line 5, usually help in what we call responsiveness. Responsiveness simply means ability of your website to be able to appear on different devices with different screen sizes. Okay, that's what the meta tag does. There are other things you use the meta tag to do, but for now, let's focus on what you have been taught, what you've been taught rather, and let's move on from there. So one of the tag I'm going to introduce to you today is the first one is called the comment tag. And for you to make a comment in your code, you first of all start with a less than sign followed by an exclamation sign, then you click on two minus and you type your comment. Okay, so you can say this is a comment, okay, followed by three minuses and you follow by the was the greater than sign. So the comment is can be part of your code, okay, but will not be rendered by the browser. What that means is that they are in your code, but when the browser is scanning your web content, that comment will be omitted, that is, it will not be displayed. So now that I've done this, Control S to save what I have done. If I go back to my browser now and refresh what I have done, you can see nothing is appearing. Okay, however, I have typed this, so it is not appearing because the browser is seeing it as a comment. Okay, another thing you can use these comments to do is to disable a particular line of code or a particular thing on your website. Take for instance, if I type this, don't worry about what I'm doing now, I just want to use it to quickly explain something. Okay, Laura. Okay, so I'll control S to save. If I come back here and refresh, you can see that what I just typed appears on the screen. So I can use my comment to disable this now. So all I need to do is already have the less than sign, so I just need to introduce the exclamation forward followed by two minuses. Then I'll come to the close tag here and type the three minuses that I told you earlier, 1 2 3, and Control S to save. So if you go back to your browser now and refresh, you can see it's no longer appearing, but it is still in your code. But what you have done is disable. So it is always good to disable a line of code when you don't need them than to delete them. Once you have deleted them, if you will need that code again, that means you might need to rewrite it. But if you disable them, they will not appear, and when you will need, if you need them again later in the future, all you just need to do is what, enable them, and they will appear to you. So if I need to re-enable this particular sentence, all I just need to do is comment it out. So, and I will save, Control S, I come back to my browser, refresh, you can see it's there. And if I want to disable it again, I go through the same route and Control S again to save, and you refresh, you can see it's no longer there. All right, so that also, quickly let me use that to introduce us to what we call paragraph tag. So the paragraph tag, okay, is given by P. Okay, so you all know what a paragraph is. Okay, so you use a paragraph to start a unique sentence. All right, so anytime you want to create a paragraph, you use the P tag. We call it the P tag, which is also the open and close tag. Okay, and you can type whatever thing you want to type. So you can say this is a paragraph tag. Okay, Control S, you come here and you say, so this is a paragraph tag. So that's that. So I've introduced you to comment tag, and I've introduced it to paragraph tag. So the next tag I want to introduce you to is called the unordered list. Okay, unordered list, as the name implies. Okay, so you create an unordered list by typing a less than sign, then ul, okay, which also comes with open and close tabs. So once you create an unordered list, okay, you cannot just create an unordered list tag without creating list of something. So what you use unordered list to do is to itemize uh, items on your website. Okay, and we have two type of it. The first one is this. So anytime you're using the, you have to use also alongside its list tag. So I'm going to copy this 3 times, and I will paste. Okay, so here I'm going to write 1. Okay, and here I'm going to write 2. Here I'm going to write 3. All right, so let me just copy this and paste on the, okay, and here I'm going to write, which is the second type of list. It's called the ordered ordered list. Okay, it's called the ordered list, and this one I'm going to change it to O to represent the ordered. Okay, Control S to save. So I'm going to refresh my page now to see the difference between unordered list and ordered list. So I'll come here and refresh. Okay, as you can see, for unordered list, it itemizes its item with bullet form, while the ordered list itemize each item in numeric what form. So depending on how you want to itemize your item on your web page will determine what you want to use. If you want to use the unordered list, you know what to do now, and if you want to use the ordered list, you know what to do. So I'm just going to comment this out now, that is disable it. Okay, I'm going to disable it. Control S to save. Go back to your browser now and refresh. You can see that it is not appearing again. All right, so um, basically we use the unordered list basically to create navigation bar, that is menu that you see on website, like the home tab, the about us tab, the contact tab, the services tab. That is what we use these for. Okay, that is what we use this for. So in our next lesson, I'm going to show you the application of unordered list, that is how we can use the unordered list to create a menu bar, okay, a navigation bar also, and we are going to put the comment tags and the paragraph tag that we have just learned from this lesson into use as well too. I do believe you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please give it a like, and also drop your comment in the comment section should you have questions to ask, or you are not clear about something. Also, click on the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you, and I see you in the next lesson. Bye.